Hi, this is Shiree with Rehash Fiber. I want to tell you about a great project you can do in one day. It's a Singlade ball. It is actually Scandinavian folk art. Now, when I first found it, I was having my cup of coffee in the morning, going through Instagram. I came across a post from Black Cat Farmstead, and I saw a Singlade ball. And then they mentioned how you can make one for your cat by putting some catnip in it or a ball in it. And so I got very interested because I have a studio cat who does have plenty of toys, but whenever he's awake, he's still a very busy boy and the toys aren't new anymore. So I thought, well, let's do something with fiber and for my cat. When I did my search on YouTube, Kate Sterner was the first person that came up. How to make a Singlade ball, the basic H triangle pattern. She is a great teacher. I immediately started watching and doing what she was saying and creating my own ball. And then I got the personal goal of let's see if we can get it done in one day, because it's great to have a one-day project. And I did. It was a very long day and my hands were tired, but it can be done. So just so you know, if you need a one-day project, this is it. So Kate mentioned early on in her tutorial about her website and her family history. And I was very curious. And I did go to her website and read everything about her grandfather, Martin, and how he started doing this. And he carried the tradition through their family, and he made the Singlade balls for family members, for their weddings, for special things, and really carried on the wonderful tradition. So it's very worth your while to go and just read the stories on her site. As far as making the ball, all that's inside is you wrap up a ball of yarn, or as Kate will show you, you can actually grab any bits of fabric and make your ball, and she shows you how to secure it and then how to do the blanket stitch, and the whole ball is just out of the blanket stitch. So it is quite easy to do once you get the stitch down, and then it's the kind of project where you don't have to do a lot of thinking, so you're able to do anything else that you want to do as far as like conversation or watch TV, or so you can do all that while you're making the ball. So this ball is for Rocky, and I hope you enjoy making your own Singlade ball. Thanks for watching, and happy stitching.